Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Well, in this tutorial, we'll take a look how to make a cool glassmorphism design like this. Well, the basis of this kind of design is first you have to have a cool background. Either you can have a background image or draw it on your own, but having the image is easier than drawing it. Once you have the background image, then you can go ahead and draw something simple like this. So background and you drawing together makes it beautiful glassmorphic design. So anyway, this would be a long tutorial which I don't want to do. So here I do have all this tutorial, all this code, so you can go ahead, just download and do your experiment. So go down, download the code, and before you download, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Oh, by the way, for glassmorphism design, you need to do another thing: backdrop filter and image filter. They're the most important thing, and apart from that, you also need to pass blur and opacity, things like that. Okay, yeah, that's how you go ahead and do glassmorphic design with Flutter and make your design cool. Thank you so much.